Symmetrical composition is often very simple and strong. It's attractive to your eye because it's balanced. Too frequently, photographers can try and use the rule of thirds and miss when a subject or scene will be more eye-catching if it's composed symmetrically. Having situations where one side of your photograph mirrors the other is when you need to think more about central lines and not the rule of thirds. As with all composition, creating a symmetrical image is as much about what you leave out as to what you include in your frame. You will need to pay careful attention to where you place your center line in your frame and that your camera is oriented well. If it's tilted off-center, the effect will not be so pleasing. There are various types of symmetry. The main two are horizontal and vertical. You can also use diagonal, but this works best in square compositions. Radial symmetry, when a circle is divided in two, also makes interesting compositions. Making use of reflection in a mirror, a window, or a still pond surface makes symmetrical compositions as well. Symmetrical composition poorly executed can look bad. Purposefully breaking symmetry can work very well. Composing with your main subject within a symmetrical space can draw attention to it because it partially breaks the balance. You have to look for it. Symmetrical pictures can be found in natural and man-made locations. Trees, rocks, animals and bugs can be symmetrical, as can bridges, buildings, monuments and all manner of man-made objects. Often looking at a whole wide scene, you will not find symmetry. You'll need to get closer and select parts of scenes or things. With each thing you choose to photograph, make photos from various angles and camera orientations. Some vertical, some horizontal, and some with your camera at an angle. Make some photos where the symmetry is interrupted, either by shapes, lines, or your main subject. See if you can create some photos where your main subject is enhanced by the use of symmetrical composition. As usual, make good notes about what you're doing so you can refer back to them when you're looking at the photos on your computer.